What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a smoothie without ice. Of course, I'm going to be using my BlendJet 2, and also I just have right here a Ziploc bag of some frozen fruit that I had in my freezer, and also I will be using some water. First, I'm going to start out by adding my water. What you want to do with this BlendJet 2 is make sure that you add your liquid first so that your frozen fruit will not get caught up under the blade. So be sure to add your liquid of your preference first. So I'm going to do about 8 ounces of water, if you all can see that. There it goes. Now I'm just using 8 ounces of water, but you can use as much as you would like, and like I said, you can use whatever liquid you prefer. So now I'm going to add in my assorted frozen fruit. This is the key to having the icy cold smoothie without using ice, is to use frozen fruit. Now you can buy them fresh and put them in your freezer, or you can already buy them frozen in a bag out of the frozen section, which that is what I did. You guys, I thought for sure I pressed the record button when I started blending this smoothie, but obviously I didn't. But I'm just showing you guys how the consistency looks whenever you blend with the BlendJet 2. As you see, you guys, I have no clumps in my smoothie. That's why I love the BlendJet 2 so much. Over the BlendJet 1, I can blend my frozen fruit without worrying about having clumps in them when I'm pouring into my glass or when I'm sipping it through my straw. I love the BlendJet 2. The consistency is amazing. What I love also about my BlendJet 2 is if I'm out and about and I'm blending my smoothie and I see that I do not have a cup near me, what I can do is turn my BlendJet 2 over and I can untwist my base and drink directly from the container. I can throw a straw in there, or I can just sip right on it. That's the convenience of a BlendJet 2, and I love it, you guys. And right here I'm showing you exactly how I'm doing that. And there you have it. This is how I make a smoothie without ice. All you need is a base, frozen fruit, and blend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.